and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. It is day 2 of Picky Eaters Week, and today we're talking all about lunch. Lunch is really tricky in my household. I find that is the hardest meal of the day for me to brainstorm new ideas for. Now, it doesn't always have to be new every single day, but sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of a change up, especially if you have picky eaters, just to keep them interested in whatever's on their plate. Which is why I am very excited that my friend Tristina is pairing up with me today, so we have double the amount of lunch ideas to share. I'll let her introduce herself now.
Hi everyone, my name's Tristina and I am so excited to be doing this collab. I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, and I post an array of videos over on my channel from cooking, cleaning, organizing, haul videos, basically everything that relates to being a mother and a homemaker. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, it would mean the world to me if after this video you head on over to my channel and check out my video as well. And if you head over there, don't forget to introduce yourself in the comments down below because I love getting to talk to you guys. So I hope to see you there.
After you watch my video, make sure you check out Tristina's lunch ideas, which I'll link in my description box below. For lunch today, I'm starting off with waffle maker paninis. So this first one I'm doing is just classic ham and cheese with yellow mustard, one of my favorite sandwich combinations. But my kids love these panini sandwiches. I don't have to have a separate gadget to make them. I just pull out my waffle iron and then I prep the sandwiches with whatever ingredients they want. Now you can either butter the outside of both pieces of your sandwich bread, or you can just spray the inside of your waffle iron with a little bit of Pam or nonstick spray. That's what I did here today. And then you pop the sandwiches in for a couple minutes. You do want to press them down a little bit just so they flatten out nicely. But the awesome thing about using the waffle iron is that it creates all these little nooks and crannies, so you get a lot of extra crispy bits on the outside. And then of course all the fillings inside are nice and gooey and warm and delicious. This other one that I made was definitely for me. It was mozzarella, tomato, and pesto. It was incredible. I don't know that this would be my kids' first choice, but Costco has delicious pesto, and you can use a little bit of it and then freeze what you don't use before it expires. But some of my kids actually really like the taste of it, and it kind of mixes up your regular sandwiches. Also, you can make these into pizzas, so you could use mozzarella and pepperoni and then give the kids a little dish of pizza sauce on the side for dipping. Now, speaking of pizzas, something I like to do is mix up the actual dough that I'm using for the pizza. So on this day, I made pizza bagels and pizzadillas, as I like to call them. Now, this is kind of an open-faced tortilla pizza. You could also actually fold it over and cook it in a little bit of butter in a skillet and make a traditional quesadilla-style pizza. But here, I'm just popping them under the broiler on high for just about a minute. And I used jarred sauce, shredded mild cheddar cheese, and some pepperoni slices for the kids who wanted it. You could also add some veggies and a little bit of seasonings too. I like to add a little oregano on top of my pizzas. Also, if you don't have jarred pizza sauce, you could use a little bit of spaghetti sauce, even some tomato paste thinned out with water, and add a little Italian seasoning. You know, the sky's the limit with what you put on. That's even just for a traditional pizza. My kids love when I buy the naan bread from Aldi and make all different kinds of pizzas out of that too. It's a great crust, and I make buffalo chicken pizza and barbecue chicken pizza that they really, really enjoy. Okay, so in an effort to be fully transparent here, I'm gonna show you the aftermath of our lunch. This is Benjamin's plate. Ben, what happened with your lunch?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? What do you like? The pepperoni?
Yeah.
But you don't like the pizza? What kind of pizza did you say you like?
I only like pizza in a box at restaurants.
Pizza in a box at restaurants?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have to get that for you sometime. Maybe next time we can try a pizza bagel for you or something, because I know you've eaten those before. And then this is Jack's plate, so he's good. Although it's funny, all my kids are like this. Any extra cheese on anything that kind of hangs over the sides, they will not eat. It has to be confined to the larger piece of food that they're already eating. Like grilled cheese, pizza, anything that has stringy cheese off the side. You would think that that'd be the most desirable desirable part, but no, they take it all off. And then Emma, oh, I'm all zoomed in here. You ate all yours, right? Your pizza bagel, it was good, yes?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. And then Andrew's doing really well over here. Hi, Andrew. You have a little sauce on your cheek, sweetie. I'll get that in a minute.
This now. I'm this one now.
Oh, you want a treat? Well, we'll talk about it since you didn't eat your lunch. Hey, Andrew.
Hey.
Well, the good thing is Ben's leftovers won't go to waste because Andrew the Mooch is on the scene. You gonna eat some more pizza, honey?
Pizza.
Yeah, yummy. Another simple lunch idea my kids absolutely loved is banana sushi. So I took a warmed up tortilla and spread some peanut butter on top. Then I had a little leftover Cocoa Krispies, so I sprinkled those for some crunch, kind of to mimic the rice. You could use plain Rice Krispies too, or really any kind of cereal that you have for a little extra crunch. And then I peeled a whole banana and rolled it up nice and tight in the tortilla. So I cut it into rounds and it looked like little sushi roll-ups. And my son Jack absolutely loves sushi, so this concept really appealed to him. But of course the flavors really appealed to all my kids too. So once I made this first one, they all wanted to get into the kitchen and make some banana sushi themselves.
It looks so good. It looks so good. Can I Mom!
What do you think, Andrew?
Let's see.
Okay, Jack, what kind are you gonna make?
Peanut butter, honey, cinnamon, banana.
Delicious. How about you, Em?
And those things.
Some crunchies?
Nutella, cinnamon, and those.
The crunchies?
Yeah.
You guys really like Nutella, don't you?
Yeah.
That's a winner in our family.
I'm gonna make mine different now. A little sweeter
Sure.
and spicier.
Spicy. Ooh, a little cinnamon. You know what would be good in here too? Well, I would like it. I don't know if you'd like it, but sprinkle in like some raisins. Be a little bit chewy.
Oh yeah, that would sound good.
I love raisins and peanut butter. Good job, Jack.
Then I'm gonna put some honey.
Mm-hmm. Just a light drizzle, I think will be enough. Okay, and then just kind of move it to the middle of your plate and we'll slice it up. Just be careful with your fingertips, okay? Keep sliding your hand back. Yes?
Oops.
That's okay. I know, it'll poke out.
Push that in
There you go. How'd they turn out?
there. Yeah.
Good?
It's good.
Yours is a little messy, Emma, but looks good. I'm eating some of Emma's right now, and Nutella and cinnamon is such a good combination. I definitely recommend that one. You concur?
Yep. This, Mommy?
Yeah, get some more Nutella on your knife.
Okay. Like this?
Mm-hmm.
And like get like this.
Emma, why don't you hold it for him and then he can scoop it out.
Oh, that's
That's
good.
it, sweetie. Now spread it. There you go.
Jack, wanna hug
No, I'm fine.
Just a little bit, okay? Just a drizzle. That's good.
Like this.
Yep, that's good. Stop. Stop.
This.
And then what you can do is, since it's all in one spot, why don't you take your knife and kind of spread the honey out, okay?
Oh, Nutella and honey.
Spread it all the way over here. And then you're gonna roll it up. You ready? Yeah, I'm just handing it to you. Keep rolling. There it is. Yep.
Like that.
Yes. Now it's all nice and stuck. And then I'll slice it up for you, okay?
I can slice it.
No, I'm gonna slice. Okay? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. Thanks for making that. You did a great job.
I only like the bread.
You only like the bread?
Yeah.
Well, we'll start there. What about all the banana?
Ew. I can eat the bananas.
So no matter what the main dish is for my kids' lunch, I always like to serve some fruit on the side. So on this day, my kids were having more peanut butter and Nutella sandwiches, one of their favorites, and they each got to pick some fruit for the side. So I think I see some green apples here, and then also we had fresh watermelon and our new favorite fruit of the summertime, cherries. And I am so thankful. Last summer I bought a cherry pitter off of Amazon. I think it was only $10 or so, and it is so handy. My older kids can use it themselves now, and it just makes eating cherries a lot easier and safer when you have kids.
As far as you can.
Use those muscles.
It won't break.
There you go.
That's silly.
You did it.
Go down here.
The last thing we eat a lot for lunch is leftovers. So here my kids are eating some spaghetti, and I took out the meatballs and made meatball sandwiches for them. Comment below if your kids are like this, but when my children have something savory and sweet on the same plate, it has to be totally separate, if not on a different plate from each other, so that nothing is cross-contaminated. What kind of jelly do you have today?
These?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. What kind have you been eating though lately? Remember Mimi sent it to us?
Blueberry.
Yeah, that's been good too, huh? You gonna dig in?
And tell me what it looks like.
Okay. And of course, if all else fails, there's always peanut butter and jelly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my lunch ideas today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you tomorrow with dinner ideas for picky eaters.